Hello and welcome to Junction City, Oregon. We are here today on St. Patrick's Day. Here at BISH'S RV, my name is ALundy and I'm going to do a quick tour of a brand new Forest River Solera. This is something that we just picked up and this is the first one to arrive, so I'm really excited to be the one to show it to you. We're going to head on down here. Of course, we have our Ford E450 chassis, some nice new graphics on it. And coming inside, you'll see 27 DSE. That stands for dual slides, so 2 slides on this one. Coming inside here, you can see new color tones, like these grays. This is always a dead giveaway to me that these seats are going to spin around, and it comes with extra cushions to help lift you up a little bit off the ground, so that gives you extra seating. Of course, you're going to have storage and a bed here. Same thing here, and if you look behind, this is something that's kind of unique. This is storage that you can access from the inside or the outside of the coach. And if we spin around here, we're going to see nice large refrigerator now, some really great upgrades. Your TV here, good size for a Class C, and actually you can see the swing on this, and you have huge storage area behind it. So an extra good spot to put some pots and pans if you're looking for that, and just a nice little latch there. You have pantry space, closet space, queen size bed that you can walk around after you open up the slide. See, they did good there. And coming inside here, there's even a nice little cover on the bathroom sink. So if you're looking for counter space and not sink, this nice little dual purpose there, nice shower head. Really nice medium length Class C unit here. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you'd like more information on this or one of our other models, you can call me directly. Again, my name is Ashley. My direct number is 541-337-2387, and thank you so much for watching today.